Right then, hi guys, welcome to Investing with A. In this video, we'll be going over three things. Why should you budget? A walkthrough of my personal budget and free access to my budgeting template. If this interests you, hit the like and subscribe button and I'll meet you after the intro. Alright then, why should you actually budget? Key to success, we know, is to spend less than you make, save and invest the rest. From my personal experience and speaking to people that are financially stable, all have one thing in common. They have a personal budget, whether they were given one to follow or they made their own. So how does it actually help? A budget gives you a place to list all your incomes and expenditures and actually helps you to see where you're spending your money, because there might be cases where you're overspending, and i.e. food or fuel, where you originally thought you were spending less. This budget gives you a place to identify that and potentially help reduce your spending. Right then, here we are, my personal budgeting spreadsheet. In this spreadsheet, I have my incomes and expenditures separated. We have the incomes listed in this table at the top here. A monthly expenditures would be at the bottom, broken into four categories. So we have fixed monthly expenditure, variable monthly costs, investments that we make, and pots. So how is our income broken down? The first two rows would be our main income. This would be my partner's business. These two are my personal businesses. These are where we wholesale cakes, and this is a rental property that we manage at the moment. And this stage here would be a combination of all the extra side hustles that we have, that are all grouped into one place. So roughly monthly income would be around 3,900. So if you were to use this spreadsheet yourself, you would go in here, person one, edit this portion, person one, not Q, and say you earn roughly 2,000. This will adjust. See, now the monthly income is 4,000, and this is the way you can use this spreadsheet for yourself. So if we just undo that, so we go down to monthly expenditures. Fixed monthlies are broken down into household bills, insurance, and transport. Household bills equate to roughly 575, well, exactly 575, roughly 600 a month. Insurance, we pay our building insurance off yearly, hence why that is not included in our monthly budget. And then we have transport. I have a car that is on lease, around 225, and then about 120 for fuel. I wouldn't recommend having a car on lease, but the reason being is that I actually bought a used car, and it did cause me a lot of problems, eventually making it to be written off. But yeah, we'll save that story for another day. Then we have another category, which is monthly cost, which is broken down into four sections. We have food, lifestyle, entertainment, and personal care. Food roughly equates around to 160 a month. Here we would have an eating out section. However, due to COVID and UK being under lockdown, there's not much we can do. And then we have lifestyle, which are both our mobile bills, equating to 74. Entertainment, we do actually have internet, Netflix, and a TV package, but that's included in my business. Therefore, we don't count that in our monthly budget. And then personal care, gyms, and barbers. Again, this is now both zero due to COVID. So that would be zero for personal care. And then the next stage, we have our investments. It's broken down into my investments, partners' investments, and any debt that's out remaining that needs to be paid off. So investments again is broken down into four categories for myself, totaling roughly 1,800 monthly. My partners around 800, and any debt repayments that need to be made, which is roughly £100 a month. And then we have the final stage, which is our pots. This is using the Monzo app or the Monzo bank account, which is something I do recommend. Check it out, Monzo. What we do is we have a account with Monzo that's broken down into something they call pots, and every month we put in amounts of 25 each for holidays. When everything is open, we will be going on holiday hopefully, and gifts, right? So this is quite a good idea actually that we found from another YouTuber, where they created a separate pot, and every month they put in an amount for people's gifts, whether that be birthdays, Christmas. Right, then that is enough for my personal budgeting, but how can all of this help you? Right, guys, if you actually enjoy this video or you want access to this spreadsheet, what you need to do is comment, like, and subscribe. Comment your email and I will reply to that email sending you this spreadsheet. So if you need to know how to use it, we're just going to do a quick tutorial on that. All the things in bold are actually not to be changed. All the things that in the columns here can be changed. Likewise, this here also in yellow doesn't need to be changed. Anything in yellow doesn't need to be changed. So your rent might be 500, we'll change that. Your food shopping might be 200, well, not 2,200 a month, and you can change various other things, leaving these sections here. These are the formulas that if you come over here, are listed. Right, for instance, now you've changed all your things. Your income is 5,000, not 5,000, 4,900. Your expenditure total is X, or 4,120. This will work out the difference between your income and your expenditures, which should be listed here. If your income is more than your expenditures, this will be green. But if your expenditures are more than your income, then this will be red. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. And remember guys, education is the best investment you can make. Thank you.